Hey guys, I'm back again with the review of few other kurta sets. Really sorry that this video is delayed due to some family concerns. I couldn't bring it on time, so forgive me for that. We'll certainly make sure to upload videos regularly every week going forward. So now let's get started with today's episode. So this is a very pretty kurta set that I bought from Myntra. The brand is Indoera and it's pure cotton kurta set. Looks very pretty. Has a V-neck with nice patchwork and lace along the neckline and yoke. The neck isn't deep, just right. The patchwork detailing is given for the back neck as well. It adds to the beauty of the kurta. The print is good and the color is so soothing. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and has a lace and patchwork detailing at the cuffs as well. Looks very beautiful. It's a A-line kurta and the shape of the kurta is perfect. I mean, if you get the right size, it looks like tailor-made fit. The fabric feels a little thin, but it's not transparent, so good enough. Comes with a contrast bottom with pretty design. Looks like a zigzag print, but actually it's not. It's more of a leafy print. It's a parallel fit pajama and has a lace detailing at the ankle line of the pajama as well. It comes with partially elasticated waistband, that is on one side it has waistband, on the other side it's elastic. Elastic is good, doesn't dig into the skin. Has pockets on one side of the pajama. The fabric is good and it's not transparent at all, so we can wear it comfortably. Dupatta is very pretty guys, beautiful prints with borders on all four sides. I don't know why I talk so much about dupattas. I am so obsessed with pretty looking dupattas. I mean, a beautiful dupatta enhances the overall look of the outfit, isn't it? So yeah, this one is very pretty. Has borders on all four sides of the dupatta. Looks really nice. It enhances the overall look of the kurta set. So yeah, it's a pretty set, good for summers, no color bleed nor shrinkage after first wash. So it's a good buy. This is again a very beautiful kurta set from the brand Libas. It's pure cotton. Very pretty looking one. Has Chinese collar with short V-neck opening and potli buttons at the yoke. The collar is beautifully stitched and looks elegant. The reason I mention this is if the Chinese collar isn't stitched properly, it looks clumsy, isn't it? And this one is very neatly done. With all the potli buttons at the yoke, looks very elegant. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and has patchwork with golden lace at the cuff line. Very neatly done and looks classy. The print looks good, sober and minimal. There's a stitch at full length on either sides of the kurta from the shoulders. This kind of stitch gives a nice fit when worn. Usually a dart is given at the back of the kurta on both sides to give that perfect fit. I mean, this is something similar to that. So this kind of stitch gives a beautiful fit when worn. Fabric is excellent, not transparent at all. Feels very good on the skin. Comes with a contrast shade bottom and it is partially elasticated at the waistband. Elastic is soft, does not dig into the skin. Comes with pockets on one side of the pajama. It's a white parallel fit palazzos. Fabric feels very good on the skin. not transparent at all. That's a very good thing. Has a patchwork detailing with lace at the ankle line of the bottom. Very neatly done. Dupatta is gorgeous, guys. I mean, beautiful prints, look so elegant. It has borders on all four sides of the dupatta. Fabric is excellent. I mean, it makes the whole set look so pretty. I love this set, can't tell you how much. So if you like it, then don't think twice, you may go for it. Mark my words, you will certainly like it. It's a very pretty looking kurta set. Dupatta is beautiful. I mean, this printed dupatta, it enhances the overall look of the kurta set. It adds to the beauty of the kurta. The color bleeds slightly in the first wash, but if you use the Color Fix liquid first time when you wash this, the problem will be solved. I have mentioned this in my earlier videos also. Guys, kindly check the description for details on the giveaway. I mean, most of you know about it already, and those of you who do not know about it already, kindly check the description. We have a giveaway scheme going on. So get the details from the description. This is again a pure cotton kurta set from the brand Bhama Kaucha. It's more of an occasional wear, I would say. Has keyhole neck design with golden gota patti lace work all along the neckline, keyhole neck, and through one side of the kurta. It's an Angarka style kurta with drawstrings at the waistline. I mean, it looks more like wraparound kurta type with drawstrings on either sides of the kurta. The gota patti lace work and the drawstrings. It is more of an Angarka style kurta. Though it's pure cotton, it's more of an occasional wear, I would say, not for daily use. Print looks jazzy for me. I mean, it's my opinion, guys. To me, it looks little jazzy. On the website, it was looking little better, but then in reality, it looks a little jazzy. Golden gota patti work is given at the bottom of the kurta and a golden lace along the hemline of the kurta. The sleeves are a little less than a full length sleeve. I mean, for me, it's almost full. Has golden lace along the cuff line of the kurta and also along the back neck of the kurta. Pajama comes with drawstrings, no elastic at all. Yeah, you heard me right. It's not partially elasticated or fully elasticated. It comes with drawstrings. I mean, to me it looks more like a sari inskirt that comes with drawstrings. I mean, when you pull it, it looks bulky with all the gathering at the waistline. I mean, it makes the whole outfit look bulky. It's a white bottom palazzos, really white, and has gota patti lace work at the ankle line of the pajama. To give the flare, there are fabric joints given on the pajama. Frankly speaking, guys, I didn't like this at all. I have a feeling that it looks bulky on me. I mean, the overall outfit doesn't look neat and appealing. Or maybe it doesn't suit me, it might suit others, but if you ask me, I wouldn't suggest you to buy this one. It's again my opinion, guys. If you like it, you may give it a try. Wow, this is a fantastic kurta set from the brand Indoera. It's pure cotton and the style is superb. Very pretty looking kurta set. Has a broad round neck with keyhole opening with hook and eye. Very pretty. Beautiful cotton lace runs all through the kurta on both sides from the shoulders. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and super stylish. It has open slits from the elbow line to cuff line with pearl buttons holding the fabric together, with beautiful lace work at the cuffs. Looks very pretty, guys. Kurta looks gorgeous with simple and elegant neck design, unique sleeve design and the lace work. Has a beautiful shape, the fit is superb. Very beautiful looking kurta set, guys. Has silver print work on the kurta design all through the kurta. The design looks classy and the fabric is great. It's pure cotton and feels very good on the skin. This kind of print is given all through the front and the back side of the kurta. You can see it clearly, looks very elegant. Very good fabric, feels very good on the skin. Pajama is pure cotton and is partially elasticated. On one side it has waistband and on the other side it is elasticated. Has pockets on one side of the pajama. A pretty lace detailing is given at the bottom of the pajama. Fabric is very good and it's not transparent at all. That's one good thing. Very good. Fabric is very good, not transparent at all. It's a wide fit palazzo style, looks good when worn. Dupatta is art silk. Though it's very simple, it looks super classy. Makes the whole outfit looks very gorgeous. I loved it. Worth every penny. I would say it's a must buy set. I haven't washed it yet, but I guess the silver print would wash out gradually after a few washes because it looks something like a powdery print. But still the kurta looks very beautiful, no doubts. Hand wash it in normal temperature water, no scrubbing, no brushing, dry it in shade and you are good to go. And I really hope you like this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Until I see you in my next video, this is Babita signing off. It's one life, live it up.